Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already need admin access and a current backup. Once you have those, decide your site purpose so your search is focused. Next, go straight to Dashboard, right arrow Appearance, right arrow Themes, and click Add New. Use the feature filter and search box to narrow by layout, features, and subject. As you search, sort by popular or latest so you don't waste time. Make sure to note required plugins listed on themes you like before proceeding to the install step. Once you find candidates, click Live Preview and inspect header, menus, and widget areas to confirm structure. Also review the Theme Details panel for last update date, active installs, ratings, and PHP/Wordpress compatibility to avoid conflicts. Install the theme but hold off activating it. Instead, create and set up a child theme if you plan custom changes. Then use the customizer and a staging site to test plugin compatibility, page templates, and responsive breakpoints before going live. When you're confident, activate the theme on a staging site and import demo content only if it accelerates setup. Make sure to replace placeholders. Configure menus, widgets, and theme options in Customizer, and then run responsiveness and speed tests across devices and browsers. Once satisfied, push to live and create a fresh backup. If something goes wrong, like broken layout or white screen, revert to your backup, switch to a default theme, and check error logs for the specific plugin or PHP issue causing the failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.